Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia. So guys, I just want to tell you thank you so much for all the love you've been showing me on my videos. It's really appreciated. Starting this channel has been a lot of hard work because I do work a full-time job, but just reading you guys comments make it all worthwhile. And I just want to tell you from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Anyway, let's get into this beauty that I am wearing right here. So dolls, people keep asking me in my videos if I have any good vendors to recommend, and honestly, I don't. So let me tell you, I am on a hunt for some good hair because there's so many hair vendors out here nowadays. They're popping up left and right, but good hair has been really hard to find nowadays. It's almost as hard as finding a good man. It's like, I know they're out there, but there's so many bad ones. But don't worry guys, I have you covered. I'm going to be reviewing a lot of different hair in the upcoming weeks, and I'm hoping we will be able to find just a couple reliable hair vendors where we can actually feel comfortable purchasing. So speaking of that, let's talk about this beauty that I am wearing right here. So this hair is from Julia Hair Company. They sent me an 18-inch frontal and 3 24-inch bundles. Now I did make this unit using the hot gun glue method, and girls, let me tell you, it took me less than 30 minutes to make this unit, and I was so excited only because like I literally take forever to make my wigs because I just can't sit and focus on making a wig from start to finish. I'll start making a wig and then I get distracted. I'll be on Instagram. I'll start talking to my friends. I start doing everything but making the wig. So literally, I made this wig under 30 minutes. So if I could do it under 30 minutes, anybody could do it in under 30 minutes. It's super easy. It's really beginner friendly. I was going to include it in this video, but I didn't want this video to be too long. So if you do want me to upload it, I already recorded it. Just thumbs up this video and I will make sure to get that out for you guys. Now, I only made this unit a couple of days ago, so I can't give you a full review about the quality of the hair. However, I can point out the pros and cons that I have experienced so far with wearing this hair. Now, they sent me this hair. The shipment came pretty quickly. One of the pros for this hair is that it does not have any smell. The hair is very thick from root to tip. And this unit that I'm wearing right now is only the frontal and 2 bundles. I didn't even use the 3rd bundle. Well, actually, I used 1 weft for the 3rd bundle. However, I did thin this hair out because initially it was just too big for me. Now, I really love big hair, but with curly hair, I just feel like it's swallowing my face. So I did thin this hair out. I used some shears, and this is what the shears look like. And this basically is a good tool to use if you ever want to thin out some hair, but you don't want to actually cut it bluntly. So what it does is like it strips the hair, it like pulls out, it cuts it in strands instead of like strictly across. So I did cut a significant amount of hair out of this unit. Let me show you how much, just to be exact. So this is the amount of hair I did take out. So as you can see, that's a pretty significant amount of hair. So I really think if you do want to order this hair, that you would be fine with just ordering a frontal and 2 bundles. Unless of course you want it bigger than that, then of course get a 3rd bundle. Now, on to the cons about this hair. I did bleach this frontal, and I did notice that it was a bit resistant to the bleach. I left the bleach on for about 30 minutes. However, when I rinsed it out, there were some knots that still remained on the unit. I didn't want to bleach it any longer because typically if you leave the bleach on the frontal too long, it will start to shed and you will end up with bald spots. So what I did is I just took my foundation powder and I applied it on to the lace for the inside of this unit. And this unit that I made is I'm not wearing any gel, any glue, or anything to hold it down. It's strictly being held down with the elastic band method. So it's super beginner friendly, and I didn't customize this frontal at all. I really wanted to leave it in its natural state so that if you're not very versed with working with hair, you would know what it would look like. So this is what the unit looks like, pretty much in its natural state. This hair is 100% dry. One thing I will say about this hair is that it dries really fast, which I like. Like, I washed this hair and it literally was dry within an hour. And that's like amazing. The main pro that I do like about this hair is the curls on this unit. Like, do you see this hair?
Do you see this cup? Man, come on, man.
Like, this hair is, the curls are popping. Like, I am in love with this. I am really in love with this. So my first initial impressions about this unit are very favorable. After I made the unit, the only thing I applied to this hair was I wet it. So I used my little water spray bottle and I basically wet it on both sides. And then I applied some of my Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. And this is what that looks like. And I just took a little bit, rubbed it in my hand, and then rubbed it on the ends. I didn't put too much of the product in it, but I do like that leave-in conditioner, especially for any type of curly or wavy hair, because it helps to define the curl and prevents it from getting really big. Also, when the hair was wet, after I applied the product, I sectioned the hair in 3 parts. So I took the front, I took both sides, and then I took the back, and what I did while it was wet is I just twisted the hair. I twisted the hair and I let it dry like that while it was wet. And then when it dried, I just kind of loosened it out from the bottom, and these were the pretty curls that I got. And what I noticed that twisting the hair does is it helps to define the curls just a little bit and give it more of a spiral look. Like, let me see if you guys can you see this? But so far I can tell you that I am loving this hair, and I will most likely be cutting it because I just feel like this hair will probably look better on me cut like shoulder length. So I'll probably cut it probably like about this length. What you guys think? Let me know. Should I cut it or should I just leave it? I think I should cut it. I don't know. You guys let me know. I'll do whatever y'all say. Whatever the majority will win. Good. I am really loving this hair. However, you know, it's really early for me to make a final determination on the quality of the hair, because there are some hair that behave really good in the beginning, and then after you wear it for a couple of weeks, it become a hot damn mess. Kind of like some men that you meet as well. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop male bashing. This is not what this channel is about. I love men, but if you have used this hair and had any experience with this vendor, good or bad, leave that in the comment section down below so that the other viewers could know about your experience. So I would like to create like a community of where we share information, because I know there are some vendors out there that send the YouTubers really good hair and then only to find out that the paying customers receive lower quality hair. But we're not about that over here. All right, we're gonna create a community of where we share information. This way we all win. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like anything hair, fashion, or just good old fashioned girl chat, then you're in the right place. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so that you could be notified when I upload my videos. So guys, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. You guys take care now. Bye.